How the top 1% stay rich in 2025. Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into a topic that intrigues many. How do the top 1% maintain and grow their wealth in 2025? Whether you're new to finance or have some experience, this guide will break down the habits, strategies, and mindsets that keep the wealthy. Let's get started. 1. They prioritize financial education. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. The wealthy understand that knowledge is power. They read regularly. Books like The Millionaire Next Door highlight the importance of understanding money management. Stay informed. They keep up with market trends, economic news, and financial strategies. Seek mentors. Learning from those who have achieved financial success is a common practice. Tip for you. Start by dedicating 15 minutes a day to reading financial news or books. 2. They live below their means. If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell what you need. Warren Buffett. Contrary to popular belief, many wealthy individuals are frugal. Budgeting, they track their expenses meticulously, avoiding lifestyle inflation. Even as income increases, they resist the urge to upgrade their lifestyle unnecessarily. Investing, savings. Money saved and invested in the right investments are so important. Tip for you, create a monthly budget and focus on areas by cutting down unnecessary expenses. 3. They invest wisely. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Warren Buffett. Wealthy individuals. Diversify investments. They spread their investments across stock, real estate, and businesses. Think long term. They avoid get quick rich schemes and focus on sustainable growth. Understand risk. They assess and manage risk effectively. Tip for you, consider starting with a low-cost index fund to begin your investment journey. 4. They create multiple income streams. Never depend on a single income. Make investment to create a second source. Warren Buffett. The rich often have business ventures, side businesses or startups, rental properties generating passive income, investments, dividends from stocks or interest from bonds. Tip for you, explore opportunities to monetize a hobby from a skill that you already possess. 5. They plan for the long term. Someone sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long time ago. Warren Buffett. Long-term planning includes retirement planning, utilizing retirement accounts and pension plans, estate planning, ensuring wealth is passed on efficiently, tax planning, understanding and leveraging tax laws and using it to your advantage. Tip for you, start contributing to a retirement account even if it's a small amount. Number 6, they value time over money. The rich invest in time, poor invest in money. Warren Buffett. Time is a non-renewable resource. Delegation. They delegate tasks to focus on high-value activities. Continuous learning. Invest time in learning a new skill or a knowledge. Networking. Building relationships that can lead to opportunities. Tip for you. Identify tasks you can delegate or automate to free up your time. 7. They give back. No one has ever become poor by giving. Anne Frank. Philanthropy is common among the wealthy. Charitable donations, supporting causes they care about. Mentorship, guiding others on their financial journeys. Community involvement, investing in community involvement. Tip for you, consider donating a portion of your time or a cause that you really care about. To conclude, staying rich isn't just about having money, it's about mindset, habits, and growth. Adopt practices that pave your way towards financial stability and success on a daily basis. Remember, financial journey starts with a single step. Which one will you take today? Here's a bonus tip. Start a financial journal and track your expenses and your progress, your spending habits, and set future goals. Feel free to share this guide with friends or family who might benefit. Let's grow together. This is Jan. See you in my next video. Please subscribe to help grow this small channel. Thank you.